Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. It's that time of the year. Time for me to buy some new Halloween stuff. I'm so excited. Just got this in from Country Craft Creations. I'm going to show you what I got. Stay tuned. Yep, it's that time of the year when new Halloween stuff, papers, collections, ephemera start coming into the stores. It's time for me to buy some new stuff, whether I need it or not, which is definitely the case because I have plenty to make lots of Halloween projects. But when I see new paper coming out, I've just got to have some. So this is what I got. This is a shopping haul, items I purchased myself from Country Craft Creations. It's available right now in the store. I will click down below. Let's reword that. I will put down below in the description, click on more. I will put the links to everything that's still available in the store, which it should be. It's all brand new, so that you can go shopping too. So what did I get? I got Hocus Pocus. This is Carta. It has adorable papers. I wasn't going to open it, but let's take a quick peek, okay? So we can take it out of the plastic. And I hope to keep this video really quick and short for you so you can get to crafting or shopping, whichever you want to do. So Hocus Pocus. I love Carta's paper. This is so stinking cute. This is the jack-o'-lanterns, of course. And then you flip it over and you've got these little teeny tiny spiders. Okay. The cut-aparts. I love this. Right in here, the oh God, I can't think of what it's called. You know what I mean. Venus flytrap. The plant that eats people and things and bugs and stuff. Haunted house. All these cut aparts are great. The back side, it has more of these little jack-o'-lanterns, the smaller size, and the little tiny white flecks in there. Then we have the bats. And on the back side is this fabulous scene with the haunted house and the night sky. Love that. Then we have a nice stripe and Halloween colors and stars. These are definitely little stars, not dots. These are on black. Another great cut apart sheet. These are your 4x6. And on the back side we have brooms, witches' brooms, of course. And then I love papers with skeletons on it. So here we have the skeleton. I don't know yet what I'm going to make. Going to make something. I may or may not. I hope to. I plan to, or this could go into my save stash for next year or the year after that. Who knows? But anyway, I love skeletons. Back side we have, I think those are little bats. I like it. I like that orange and black in there. Then we have the cats. Cats and witch hats. This is adorable. So stinking cute. Okay, and the great nice stripe. Of course, you can't have a Halloween collection without some spider webs. And then we have this beige color with the little tiny jack-o'-lanterns. Another cut-apart sheet of your, what are these? 3x4s. Yeah, I think so. And then here is a little icon sheet. It's got the witch's hat, the broom, the shoes, the cauldron. I put a spell on you. Are you a good witch or a bad witch? Hocus Pocus. If you love that movie, this, you know, is a perfect collection. We got the ghosts in the black. And this is just like a black with kind of a faint blue. It's a bluish gray, more blue in real life. Stripe in there. More jack-o'-lanterns and bats. I love this beige cream color in here. And oh, look at this orange with the tiny, is it? Yeah, it looks like, well, they're really dots, but it makes me think of stars. Little tiny. See it in there? And then we have the orange with the witch hats and this back side. Now, this collection does come with a sticker sheet. And you only get one of each design, so I may end up having to go buy some more. You never know. I had this here to keep the glare going. I'll go over this in a minute. My second collection, before I do that, let me go over this. I'm not going to open these, but with that Hocus Pocus. I did get the ephemera pack and the frames and the tags. So I'll flip this over and hold it up so that you can see. Oh, that glare's really bad. Let me tip that down. You see what you get in this. This one has 34 die-cut cardstock pieces, and this is well, they both do. This is in frames and tags, so you got frames and tag shaped die cuts, and then this is just more ephemera. Anyway, that goes with the Hocus Pocus. Okay, so then this one is Echo Park's called Spooky. Let's take a look at this one. And see how many minutes I've been on camera. I don't want to keep you guys too terribly long. Okay, stay with me if you can. Spooky collection kit, 12 by 12 papers, and of course a sticker sheet. So, oops, got one stuck here. Okay, so this is a little different, but it's still love it. This is a small scenes with the spooky Halloween tree and the witches and the bats and some stars. Backside, super cute little jack-o'-lanterns on black. 3 by 4 cut-aparts, witches, goblins, and ghouls. Oh my, keep it real. I'm just here for the candy. Backside, we have this black with the white Halloween wording. Jack-o'-lanterns, the larger size on white with the bats and the stars. And love this plaid, this buffalo check plaid. Then we have, and this is kind of a dark burnt orange color. So we have that with the bats and another fabulous plaid. So make a fun album. This one, we've got some borders. We've got the 4x6 and the 4x4s and some different size cut aparts. So I like all the different cut aparts on this. And then we have the black stripe. And then we have the black scene with the trees in the background and the moon and the stars. And then this really fun scroll type. Reminds me of pumpkin vines, orange. And then we have the trick-or-treaters. All dressed in their costumes. So cute. And on the back side we have spiders, little spiders, and kind of a grayish green color. More cut aparts. We have the 2x2s. I love those. 4x6s, and yeah, in both directions, horizontal and landscape. It's the same thing. Horizontal landscape, same thing. Portrait and vertical. Okay. Then we have the white with the stars and the Halloween colors. And the candy. You gotta have the Halloween candy. Isn't that cute? And on the back we have orange with some stars. It's a brighter orange than what you're seeing on my camera. And then we have that greenish color again, kind of gray green color with ghost and stars. These are cute little friendly ghosts. And then we have cute skulls here on the back, on the black. Another set of cut aparts. It's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. 'Tis the season to be scary. Boo to you. I love that wood grain. That's kind of fun. Thrown in there with Halloween. And then we have the spiders. And we have the white dots on orange. And of course the sticker sheet. Now to stretch these, because there's only one of each design, I did on this pack, particular one, I got the Spookies Coordinated in Solids paper pack. So you get 6 12 by 12 in this, in these colors. So there's like that. I'll put this aside. Also with Spooky, I did get the ephemera and the frames and tags that go with that. So that stretches that out along with those stickers. Be real cute to decorate with. Then from Country Craft Creations, I did get quite a bit of my colors. So real quickly, the ones I got, what did I get? 3 of each color, I believe, or 4. Oh, I don't know what I ordered. 3 or 4 of each color. Some are different colors. Okay, so like this is autumn leaves. I may have got more than that. I've got, looks like 6. Yeah. I can't remember since I ordered. This orange is Autumn Leaves. Very pretty color. Autumn Leaves. Then we have Cyber Grape. Look at that. Rich color. Cyber Grape. Okay. Guess I wanted plenty of Halloween colors. This orange is called Mandarin. And then I thought this blue would be pretty with some Halloween stuff. If not, I'll find something else for it. Sapphire Sparkle. Now that is the one that has that little bit of shimmer to it. Didn't get as many of these sheets. Polished Stone, also got that shimmer to it. 2 of those. I got the Black Bear because it also has that shimmer. Harvest Orange. Got several of those. Never have enough of Harvest of orange colors. And another pretty purple in Concord Jam. That's really pretty. So that's my papers that I got. And then I picked up the Tim Holtz Skulls and Pumpkins. These are some spooky, creepy little skulls in there. And then these, I believe these are stackable pumpkins. So that's going to be really cute. And I decided I needed some, I might make a shaker or something. So I got Buttons Galore's Spellbound shaker bits. Got the little stars and these little round candy looking, and the little flat candy looking things. Be careful if you got little kids. You don't want them to think they can eat that. And then this is Halloween Party Doodads. So it's kind of got the lighter colors, a little sparkly in there, a little black. And of course I needed some magnets. These are the large size. And then this, real quick, I had a single set and I've always been needing another. I need more than one of each size. So I went ahead and splurged and ordered the acrylic album spacers in the small size. So let me, they're packaged really well here. Okay. Of course, I will have to fill the paper off the back. So this, I've already got a single set of each size, but now I have 3 of each size in case one breaks or I lose it. I don't think they're going to break. But these are the small spacers, which are in the really bright orange color. See if I can peel that paper off on one side for you and show you. Like that. So if you're making cards or something, so you have 2 of each size. Like that. Okay? That just makes your crafting, getting things on straight, a little easier. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Didn't want to keep you for very long. Despite myself, it's way over 10 minutes. But anyway, check back again. Subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, click that bell so you know my next video is up. And as always, shopcountrycraftcreations.com. Give me a like if you enjoy watching my videos so that I know. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. And happy haunting. Halloween will be here soon.